defense in case of a stolen base attempt by Trip McKay.
Duva's looking for his first hit today. 0 for 3. Runners on the corners with Sowell at third and McKay at first. That's ball one. Brian Duva
looking down at Dave Howard. A lot of things the Gators can do. They're in the driver's seat, up 5 in the bottom of the 7th. Runners on the corners, less than 2 out. So you can just about put anything on here.
Now they'll throw to first. Okay, back in there.
I know they want to give Brian a chance to get his rips in here. Drop him down to the 3 spot. He's been the hot hitter. He's ahead in the count 1-0.
Duva's got a 3-game hitting streak. A comebacker. The second for 1 and on to first, and rarely will